Hi everyone. So I just got done talking to some guys that are working like construction. But they're welders though, and it was interesting because as I was flagging today, I came up with the thought that it would be super cool for us to, as humans, to create a robot to weld instead of us welding, to prevent injuries and blindness and things of that sort, you know. So it'll be like one of the guys said, it would be like a video game, but in reality, it won't be a video game. It will be reality. It'll be real. And just like someone looking at their phone, basically, it could have like an extended wand. You know, the helmet? What if there's a camera right there pointing out, like how we put on a helmet. We put on the helmet, and then we go to weld, and we're looking at it. But if you draw back, and you have the welding machine, and then it has a camera, then you could be 10 feet out, 5 feet out, 2 feet out, whatever it might be, but you're looking at a screen like I am now on this. So I'll be able to see exactly what I'm welding, if I'm making mistakes or not, etc., etc., etc. And it doesn't actually mess up the helmet, because we all know the beads hit the glass or the screen thing and they just bounce off. So therefore, it doesn't bother with vision, right? So it'll be the same thing with the camera. It won't mess up the camera. Maybe it will require some form of like special vision or lens or something for the camera to capture the footage and broadcast it to a digital TV, like a phone or something. But it was just an idea that I thought of, and I just felt like sharing it with everyone because I just got done talking about it. And yeah, of course, everything has its pros and cons. Like the guy brought up, one of the other guys brought up, doing underground or under the water welding, and how can that be done? He said a drone. That's possible because they're self-stabilizing. Another thing would be like a submarine, a small one, or something like that. Yeah, like a drone. But we were just like entertaining this thought, and I thought it was pretty cool. So like I know my brother-in-law, he said that when he's welding, some of the hot beads go into his clothing and they burn his arms and stuff, so it'll prevent that. People get blind, it'll prevent blindness. And if this type of machine costs a lot of money to manufacture or whatever, to sell, whatever, then I guess it could be used for special types of jobs, where like even NASA space station, that's a possibility. So there's a lot of potential with this idea. And I guess if a lot of us or people around the world or on the internet were to entertain this thought further, we could all come up with better ideas to benefit each other and to help each other create, you know, better appliances, better inventions, or I don't know, just different things, you know, because what if it was one of your family members that was doing the work, and this person, one of your family members, is faced with these dangers of potentially getting blind or burned or whatever the case may be, because we could all do a Google search and we could find statistics, people dying from welding yearly, or people getting injured yearly from by welding or whatever. That type of Google search will reveal certain statistics and data that can prove, and just that approach in itself can get some people's interest, and therefore they will fund you, they will help you out, because it's big, it's not something small, it's there's risk factors and a bunch of other stuff. So it's all about safety. Kalosha, I love Kalosha. If it wasn't for the cops and the military and everyone out there doing their part, we would have to be doing that type of work, or we wouldn't have it as good. So it's all about helping one another, right? So yeah, God bless you guys. I hope you guys like this idea. And I think people can create some prototypes and brainstorm different stuff, even add more implementations, upgrades, or whatever you guys can think of. So yeah, God bless everyone. Have a good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're at.